Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my lovely students. How are you today? In the pandemic situation, I hope you fine, okay? Don't forget, always keep clean, selalu menjaga kebersihan, always wear a mask, selalu memakai masker, and always wash your hand when going and coming home. Selalu mencuci tangan ketika pergi maupun datang ke rumah. Hopefully we remain free from COVID-19. Semoga mudah-mudahan kita terbebas dari COVID-19. Okay, class, before we start to study, the first we will pray. Pray, please. Finish. Okay, believe that you have been ready with your equipment, your handphone, or network, or your laptop, that you support our online learning process today. And I will check your presence in the Google Classroom. So, before, please take your attendance list through Google Classroom. After that, let's we start study English. Okay, class, before we will in the material today, so please you see this picture. Have you seen this? This? Or maybe this? What is this topic about? So, please you choose the correct answer. A. Announcements. B. Greeting cards. C. Invitation. D. Letter. So, the correct answer is yes, very good. Greeting cards atau kartu ucapan. Okay, class. Learning objective of the material today is you must scan the first, compare the social function structure of the text and language feature of personalized text in the form of greeting cards by giving and asking for information about special days according to the context of use. And the second, compose personalized text in the form of short and simple greeting cards regarding to special days by paying attention to the social function structure of text and language feature according to the context. Jadi di sini untuk tujuan pembelajarannya, Miss harap kamu bisa membandingkan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, struktur bahasa teks yang dipersonalisasi dalam bentuk kartu ucapan dengan memberi dan meminta informasi tentang hari-hari khusus sesuai konteks penggunanya. Dan yang kedua, kamu juga harus bisa menyusun teks yang dipersonalisasi dalam kartu ucapan singkat dan sederhana mengenai hari-hari istimewa dan memperhatikan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan ciri-ciri bahasa sesuai konteksnya. So, for greeting cards, we will discuss one by one. The first is definition. Second is social function. The third is structure. And next, language feature. Next, some important points question. And the last, kind of greeting cards. Okay, class. But before we will discuss about that, let's watch this video.
Happy birthday, Claire! Here, I made this greeting card for you.
Thank you, Hazel.
Did you ever do like that? Very good. So, you know about what is greetings cards. You know about it? Yes, good. Greeting card is a card that is used to greet or to congratulate someone on special occasion in certain moments. Jadi, greeting cards atau kartu ucapan adalah kartu yang digunakan untuk menyapa atau mengucap selamat kepada seorang pada saat tertentu. And social function of the greeting cards. Fungsi sosial pada greeting cards, the first is to congratulate, yaitu yang pertama memberi selamat. The second is to wish or pray for, yaitu untuk mendoakan. And the third is to compliment, yaitu untuk memuji. And next, to say thanks for, yaitu untuk mengucapkan terima kasih. To show sympathy for someone, untuk menunjukkan simpati kepada seseorang. And the last, to keep the interpersonal relationship between people, yaitu untuk menjaga hubungan interpersonal antar manusia. Okay, next. What that structure of the greeting cards? Yes, the first is receiver, and then the second is content. Content is the greeting and the reason, and also for the content like hope or wish, compliment, and the last sender. Jadi di sini pada struktur kartu ucapan itu ada 3. Yang pertama yaitu receiver, yaitu penerima. Konten atau isinya itu yang bisa berisi tentang salam dan alasan, kemudian harapan atau keinginan atau pujian. Dan yang ketiga yaitu sender, yaitu sender itu adalah pengirim. So that you understand about structure of the greeting cards, let's together identify this greeting card. Okay, the first, where the receiver of these greeting cards. Yes, good. This is the receiver. And next, where the content of these greeting cards. Very good. This is the content, because content is your greeting and why you send the card, and content is why or hope or compliment. And the last, where the sender of these greeting cards. Where? You know about it? Yes, good. This is the sender. Okay? Until here, you understand? Any question? Okay. If you know any question, so next, language future. Language future, any four. The first is the use of personal like I, you, we, us, your, him, her. And the second is the use of personal pronoun like you are 12 years old. And the third is simple and communicative sentence like get well soon. And the last, the use of special expression are congratulations, good luck, wish you luck, best wish, etc. Okay, next. Some important point question in the greeting cards. Jadi, nanti jika ada pertanyaan, nah disinilah yang beberapa yang poin penting pada kartu ucapan. The first is who send the card or who write the card. Jadi ini apa? Ini adalah siapa pengirim kartu atau siapa yang menuliskan kartu. And then the second is what is the card about or what is the message about. Jadi untuk apa kartu itu atau untuk apa pesan itu. Atau bisa juga tentang apa kartu itu atau tentang apa pesan itu. Kemudian, and then, who is the receives the card? Jadi, ini siapa yang penerima kartu. And the last, why does the sender send the card? Siapa yang mengirimkan kartu? Okay? Okay, class. So that you understand about that, please, we together, let's try these greeting cards. And there are 3 questions of these greeting cards. And before, please you read. And after you read, so please you answer that question. Okay. The question, the first is who is the sender? And the second, what is the card about? And the third is who received the card? You can answer that question? Okay. The first question, who is the sender? So the answer is yes, very good. Rijal. So next, the second question, what is the card about? Yes, very good. Rijal congratulates Wahyu on achieving the high score. And the last, who received the card? So the answer is yes, good. Wisnu. Okay, next. The last, kind and example. You know about kind of greeting cards and also example. And yes, the first is birthday card. And birthday card like that. And then wedding card is like that. Okay, so birthday card adalah kartu ulang tahun. And wedding card adalah kartu pernikahan. And next, any New Year's card. Ini adalah kartu tahun baru, kemudian Idul Fitri or Christmas card. Ini adalah kartu Idul Fitri atau kartu Christmas. And next, any graduation card like that. Ini adalah kartu kelulusan. And Next, Teacher's Day cards. Ini adalah kartu hari guru. And then next, Get Well Soon cards. Ini adalah kartu untuk kesembuhan bagi yang ada lagi siapa saja yang sakit. Right, that's all for material today about greeting cards. So far, do you understand? Any question, everyone? If you not any question, I will give you 2 assignments. The first is exercise about greeting cards in the Google form, and I will share through Google Classroom. So, please you do it after this, and I hope you do it with me carefully. Okay? Jadi, Miss akan berikan 2 tugas. Yang pertama, latihan tentang kartu ucapan, dan akan Miss buat melalui Google Form, dan akan Miss kirim, Miss akan bagikan melalui Google Classroom. Jadi, silakan kamu kerjakan setelah ini, dan Miss harap kamu kerjakan dengan hati-hati. And the second assessment is homework. Pekerjaan rumah. Please you make yourself greeting cards. Make with good. And please you bring next week. Jadi, silakan buat kartu ucapan melalui kamu sendiri. Buat sebaik mungkin. Dan silakan kamu bawa minggu depan. Okay? Any question of assessment? It's clear? Okay, very good. So, before we end the material today, I want to ask you what we have learned today. Yes, good. We have to learn about greeting cards. And what is greeting cards? Greeting card is, yes, a card that is used to greet or to congratulate someone on special occasion in certain moment. How many structure of greeting cards? Good, many, 3. And the first, the size, the second content, and the third is standard. Okay, next, what social function of the greeting cards? Yes, the first to congratulate, and then to pray, to compliment, to say thanks, and others. For example, what? Birthday card, and then wedding card. Yes, good. And then, yes, very good. New Year's card, and others. Okay, class? I think enough for material today. Don't forget for exercise today and your homework. Okay? And thank you for your attention. See you next week. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.